Would you like a home testing kit?
Test kits being handed out in Kingston Market Square. This borough of southwest London, one of more than 20 across England, where sharply rising infection rates have prompted intensive surge testing to identify and isolate cases. The steepest increase is among young people and school children, groups which haven't yet been vaccinated. Statistically, they're less likely to become seriously ill, but the concern is about variants.
Clearly we want to try and keep the case rate as low as possible, stop having the virus spreading, because the more it spreads, the more likely you are to get more mutations and more variants of the virus that may actually escape our vaccine, and we don't want to see that.
Just a little bit of your taste in my mouth.
Outside in the market square, a busker entertains the passers-by. With music venues closed for the past year, Tim O.T. has survived on loose change and a part-time job. The latest postponement provokes a weary shrug.
The emotional response is, I want to play gigs again. Do you know what I mean? I want to go out and I want to do what I love and blah, blah, blah. And the logical response is, like, you know, back at the start of lockdown, I was criticising the government for not being tough enough. You know, and people were dying, and I'd be hypocritical now to say, like, come on, let me play gigs. You know, I honestly don't know.
June 21st had been dubbed Freedom Day here in the UK, and postponing it has undoubtedly been a really serious dilemma for this Prime Minister with his libertarian reputation. And as the European summer has arrived, the appetite for mixing and socialising has already increased. But the advice from his scientific advisors was stark. Continue to unlock as planned, and hospital admissions would rapidly reach the peak seen in the first wave last year.
By being cautious now, we have the chance in the next 4 weeks to save many thousands of lives by vaccinating millions more people. And once the adults of this company have been overwhelmingly vaccinated, which is what we can achieve in a short space of time, we will be in a far stronger position to keep hospitalizations down, to live with this disease, and to complete our cautious but irreversible roadmap to freedom.
More than 56% of UK adults are now fully vaccinated, and extending restrictions into the summer months is testing public patience. Drifting may be enjoyable on the river, but not in business or politics. Paul Brennan, Al Jazeera, Kingston, UK.